If you look at this group right here, you will see that this group right here has up to 49,000 group members. This is one of my Facebook groups. In this video, I am going to show you a trick on how to increase your Facebook group members. Do you want to know a secret trick that can help you add hundreds or even thousands of members to your Facebook group without running ads or begging people to join? Most people struggle for months to grow their groups, but in this video, I will show you a simple method that works in 2025 and beyond and can bring in new members every single day. Now, let me show you a proof that this trick actually works. I'm going to go over to my browser right now and search for how to increase my Facebook group members. So I will search for this right now. Once I search it on my browser, I will scroll down right here. So if I scroll down right here, you are going to see this section which says discussions and forums. And as you can see right here, this is a Facebook group, right? This is a discussion going on Facebook groups. So with this method, you can get people to join your Facebook group directly from Google. So let me go straight and show you exactly how to do this. Now go to your browser and type Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest, right? So once you search for Ubersuggest, you are going to see this particular one right here. Ubersuggest free keyword research tool by Nepetal. So once you see this, just click on it to open the website. Once you open the website, click right here, this menu icon. Once you click the menu icon, you scroll down. Once you scroll down, just click sign in. Sign in. Once you click sign in, you are going to sign in to this tool with your Google account, right? So once you click it, just sign in with your Gmail account. So I'm not going to go through that process right now. I'm going to sign in to my own account and I will continue the video. I have signed into my own account. So the next thing you're going to do is to click this menu icon here at the top right. Once you click on it, you'll see keyword research. This is keyword research. So under this keyword research, just click keyword overview. So I'm going to click on keyword overview right now. So it is opening the keyword overview. This is where the magic happens. As you can see right now, I'm inside this keyword research tool. By the way, let me explain to you what you are actually going to do with this tool. We are going to use this tool to get searches, to get queries that people are searching on Google, right? We are going to get the exact keywords, the exact phrases or questions people are searching on Google, and we are going to use the exact keyword or the exact phrase to write a compelling post on our Facebook group. I hope you get the point right now. The reason for this is that Facebook group posts also appear in search engine like I showed you in the beginning of this video. I hope you get the point right now. So let's try and get a keyword. After getting a keyword, we are going to move over to the next step. So let's assume that your Facebook group is about affiliate marketing, where you teach people how to make money from affiliate marketing. So you can go here, this place that says enter a keyword. Just type in affiliate marketing. If your group is about another topic, just type in the topic of your interest there. So I'm going to type in affiliate marketing just for an example. Affiliate marketing. So once I type it, I will click on search. So I will click on search right now. So as you can see, the search volume for this keyword is 27,100, which means that up to 27,100 people are searching for this particular keyword every single month. So if you can write a good engaging post on your Facebook group using this particular keyword, your group will stand a chance to show up on Google when people search for this particular term on Google, right? I hope you get the idea right now. Now let me show you exactly how you can actually get targeted keywords people are actually searching for. Now, what we used on this particular example is just affiliate marketing, which is very broad topic. So if you want to narrow it down and get specific long tail keyword that people are searching for on Google, for instance, affiliate, or let me say, how to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria. How to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria as a student. So let's search for this targeted keyword. I will click on search. So it is loading. So this one doesn't have a search volume, but that doesn't mean that people are not searching for this particular keyword. But if you scroll down, you will see some suggestions. You will see some suggestions, right? As you can see, how to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria, how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner, right? So these are other suggestions you can pick and write a good post on. Before I show you the next step, how many members do you currently have in your Facebook group? Drop the number in the comments section below. I am really curious to see who is just starting out with under 100 members and who is already growing fast past 1,000 members. Your answer will also help me share more tailored tricks in future videos. So the next step is to go over to chatgpt.com. We are going to use this website to generate our post, which we are going to share on our Facebook group, right? Remember, you are going to write an engaging post that is going to engage people, right, on your Facebook group. And you are not just going to write 3 or 4 lines post. You are going to write a detailed post consistently. So once you get your keyword you want to write about, come over to ChatGPT and generate your article. For instance, I can tell it, hello, I can say, hello, I want you to act as a good writer. You know everything about affiliate marketing. Write a good article for me about how to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria as a beginner. So once you come to this stage, just enter your keyword. So I'm using how to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria as a beginner as an example for this. So in your own case, ensure you enter your own keyword right there. So let's continue. I want an engaging article of up to 1,000 words. You can say 500 words. It depends on how long you want your article to be. I hope you get. So I don't want the article to sound like AI. Write it using good and simple English language with 1 sentence per line. So I'm going to click here, right here. Once I click it, it is going to start writing this article for me. So let's watch out what is going to happen right here. So as you can see, it is now writing the article for us, as you can see. So this is how you can generate your article for free. Everything I'm showing you on this video is actually for free. You are not going to pay any money. You are not going to pay any money to use any of these tools I'm using in this video, right? So as you can see, so it has generated good and comprehensive article for me. So all you will do is to copy the article, go over to your Facebook group and post this article. Before you post it, make sure you read it. If there is any place you can edit or any place that you can remove, you go ahead and edit or remove the particular area. I hope you get the point right now. Each time you want to post on your Facebook group, ensure you get the keyword first, the keyword people are actually searching for. Then you use ChatGPT to generate the article and then you post it on your Facebook group. Ensure you are consistent on this if you really want to get a good result. Once you are consistent, Google will start noticing your Facebook group, and if it has good engagement, Google will start showing your group on Google search. So when people search for the particular term on Google, they will probably see your group on Google, right? And from there, they can join your group and start engaging with your posts on your Facebook group. So this is exactly how you can actually grow your Facebook group. This is exactly how you can increase your Facebook group members fast and easy. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and like this video, click the subscribe button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. If you want to get more videos like this that will help you grow and increase your Facebook group members, ensure you like this video, ensure you subscribe so that you don't miss my next upload. And again, there are your friends who actually need this important and valuable information. So all you need to do right now is to share this video with your friends so that they will also benefit from this particular video. Now, before you go, watch this video on the screen right now and see how to promote your WhatsApp group and get thousands of members to your WhatsApp group.